So I was talking to Rick about how he sets up the Bum Bag XL for fly fishing. Wanted to do a video kind of talking about that. And he was like, well, why don't you come with me? The thing is, I don't fly fish. So he said, I'll teach you, which means I guess I'm out here to make a fool of myself and lose some of his gear today.
Yeah. We're gonna donate some flies to the trees for sure. The truck's literally right here behind us, but there's a good little hole. We're gonna see if we can catch a brookie right off the bat. And so what I wanna do is kind of start at the back of this hole and then work my way up. We'll see how it goes. It's kind of late in the year, but you never know. Oh, there's something in there.
Is it?
Yeah, something hit the fly. Let's try that again. All right, so Logan turned around for 2 seconds, and of course, I got a little brookie. Perfect example, kind of high mountain native here in the Blue Ridge. And one thing you always want to do is wet your hand, make sure it's nice and wet before you touch the trout. They have a slime layer, and so what that does is it protects them from parasites and bacteria, stuff like that. So never handle them with dry hands. It's kind of late in the year, so he's not really colored up, but still gorgeous. He's got some blue halos and the white there. There we go.
So we've been out here for a little bit, and so far Rick has caught 2 fish, including the one right by the truck, and lots and lots of gnats in all of the parts of our face. So yeah, we're gonna go a little further and then I'll give it a shot. Right now I'm just wondering how deep this hole is I'm about to step in it. Too deep. Let's go the other way.
So we got a spot for Logan by Blue Ridge Mountain standards. This is pretty open. I'm gonna have him kind of cast this first pull here below the little mossy rock and the big rock. And then if we don't get anything out of that in just a cast or two, we're gonna go up a pull behind the big rock. It looks like there's some slow water there. So I feel pretty good about it. And I'm gonna play cameraman and netman. So this could get interesting. Maybe get it up as close as you can to that kind of mossy rock in front of the where the water drops in.
Yeah, it goes pretty fast once it gets there.
Yeah, we may move to a different pool. This is definitely faster flow than I thought it was going to be.
This is my second attempt. First one was not successful in more ways than one. That's not enough still.
No matter what happens today, Logan will learn the lesson of why they don't call it fly catching.
Okay. Fails on both of those first 2, but I do feel like starting to understand how it goes when I was casting. So hopefully we'll get some luck.
Ooh, that's soft. Oh, had a bite, but it's a little guy. There's some under there, like literally under that rock. Let's see if I can make it happen. Oh no, there we go. All right, almost got hung up there. We'll just keep this in our mental map and come back. It would be really cool to fish a brookie out from underneath a boulder like that. Yeah, creep up a little bit, maybe get on these rocks, like right in here. Pull out a little more line as well.
So honestly, we're not having a ton of luck on the fishing front, but I am starting to wonder, we've come upstream quite a ways, and I'm starting to question if Rick actually is just bringing me here to kill me. It's possible, because we out here now. Oh, hey, there's one.
He's not big, but I'm gonna get a net because when he gets back here, there we go. Let's see. All right, we'll put it right here.
Wherever he would like.
There we go.
So we've been fishing for a while. I caught nothing,
Brook trout.
but yeah,
Yeah.
he's
4 brook trout. We got out of the river, the stream. It's very grown up this time of year, and it was getting to be where it was just really hard to kind of navigate. Logan did great. He only got hung up once. I got hung up
that's generous.
3 times at the same hole just a minute ago. So kind of to show you the scoreboard there. Hopefully this is not the first and last time Logan goes fly fishing. Yeah.
No, but I learned some things.